Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably see, I've been using my 3D printer quite a lot lately, and I have printed some 2D pictures and some things to make molds with, and like lots of different things. I'm crazy about motorbikes, if you didn't know that about me. So I printed some of them, and I'm going to infill these 3 today with resin. This one is a scrap from Ice Age, and I am actually infilling it for my dad because he loves that character. This is obviously a moon, and this is going to be for my mum's little memorial garden, and I'm going to infill that because it's a sunflower. I love sunflowers, she loves sunflowers, so I thought it'd be perfect. Obviously it's going to take me absolute hours, so this video I will do as a speed up video, and I'll have a little bit of music in the background. I won't have it too loud because I know it can get annoying. So that's the plan today. I'm going to get these prepped with my jewellery tape if I've got enough. And I will see you at the other end when they are done. See you soon.
Welcome to a place where the calm begins, a little world of art where the magic spins. Hands in motion, hearts set free. Crafting is my therapy. Colors flowing soft and bright, turning dreams to life tonight. Every piece a part of me, and Maria's creativity. Mix it up, let it flow. Watch the beauty start to grow in every line and every gleam. I'm shaping more than just a dream. Pouring resin, watch it shine. Every layer one of a kind. Using molds to shape my mind. Leave the stress and world behind. With aqua cast and steady hands, turning visions into plans. Come and craft along with me. Serenity Crafts by Maria. Feel the peace, feel the free. Textures forming smooth and bold. Little treasures slowly told. From liquid glass to solid art, every piece comes from the heart. Soft blues, pinks and ocean hues. Endless ways that I can choose. Moments melt so naturally. Crafting is my therapy. Pour it slow, let it glide. See the colors drift and collide. Every swirl a story new. Every craft a piece of you. Pouring resin, watch it shine. Every layer one of a kind. Using molds to shape my mind. Leave the stress and world behind. With aqua cast and steady hands, turning visions into plans. Come and craft along with me. Serenity Crafts by Maria. Feel the peace, feel the free. Take a breath, just let it be. Heart and soul in harmony. In this space we all can find a little calm, a quiet mind. Pouring resin soft and slow. Watch your inner artist grow. Using molds and letting go. There's more beauty than you know. With aqua cast and love so free. This is where you're meant to be. Serenity Crafts by Maria. Come create your peace with me. for the colors, watch them flow. Dreams in resin start to grow. Shimmering skies in a tiny mold. Hands of magic, stories told. Serenity crafts by Maria, where the world slows down, see clearer. Creativity flows like a river. Serenity crafts by Maria. Tiny worlds trapped in glass. Time stands still, it doesn't pass. Shapes that dance, light that bends. Every pore a tale of sense. Serenity crafts by Maria, where the world slows down, see clearer. Creativity flows like a river. Serenity crafts by Maria. The sparkle, the shine, the gleam in the night. A piece of the soul in every light. Heart that whispers, holds its ground. A quiet joy where peace is found. Serenity crafts by Maria, where the world slows down, see clearer. Creativity flows like a river. Serenity crafts by Maria.
Hi guys, welcome back. I did keep stopping the recording because it was just so long. It's taken me 4 hours to do these, but I've enjoyed every single second of it. This is my Scrat for my dad. It's his favourite character in Ice Age. Scrat used to make my dad laugh a lot, so with everything going on at the moment, I thought maybe he could do with a little laugh. So I'm going to go and see him in a little while. And this I absolutely love. I've given it a massive like top coat, and I've brushed on a back coat, and I've given it a little hanger. So I am so happy with that. And this, I am absolutely in love with this. I've got to admit, it's so worth the time and effort. And I've given that little hanger. I left one where I didn't fill in with UV, and I hope you think it was worth the time, because I certainly do. And they'll be hung in my garden, hence why I gave it the back and the top coat. Oh, sorry, Scrap. I've just stuck on a thin Jenga block on the back of there to help it to stand up. If that came off, which I don't think it will, but if it does come off, I've got like a frame backing where I can put on. But I didn't want anything, because they're so like transparent. If you put anything behind it, hang on, this light, I'll turn this light on. If you put anything behind it, you'll see it. So I didn't want to stick anything actually on the UV. So I've actually stuck the Jenga block on the filament from the 3D print. And I am like so happy with these. I think this is meant to be the front, but I actually like that side. I think they're both really nice. So yeah, and I'm in love with this. It's going to be hanging in my garden. So from a simple 3D 2D printed piece, I got some beautiful little things for my garden and for my dad. So I hope you enjoyed this. I thoroughly enjoyed making it. Thanks for joining me, guys. Take care. Bye.